Hello, I'm Ian, and these are the stainless steel pannier racks for the Yamaha T7. Just like all the Touratech pannier racks, these are made out of an 18mm diameter tubing, and they're designed to be installed onto the motorcycle with no cutting or modifications whatsoever. The racks themselves fit all of the Touratech cases with the exception of the Evo X box, because that of course has a cutout to fit around the exhaust pipe, whereas this is just a straight rack. The nice thing about having a straight rack like this is that you can install basically any soft bag available on the market onto these racks. Pretty much everybody in the soft bag game makes their bags to fit our racks because our racks are the best on the market in terms of strength and looks and ease of install. One thing that's really important that I look for in a bike like the T7 is the ability to run racks like this while having the passenger foot pegs removed from the motorcycle. I have personally injured my ankle by having my foot caught under the passenger peg before, and that is the case with these Touratech racks. They only mount on one bolt where the passenger foot peg is installed, and Touratech includes an additional spacer that you can use if you want to keep the passenger foot pegs on the motorcycle. But if you don't want the passenger pegs on the bike, you don't need them. You can just bolt this pannier rack up right in its place. The pannier rack also includes this U-shaped bar, this big bend here, and what this does is it allows the rear tire to travel up and down behind the pannier rack without contacting anything. And this crossbar in the back really increases the amount of strength and resistance to the pannier rack bowing in under heavy loads, especially when riding off-road. The pannier rack for the T7 is available in two different finishes. Right here I'm showing the stainless steel, just electropolished finish, so there's no coating on this, it just looks great all the time. The other version is a black version, and that also starts as the stainless steel rack here. So if you just want it black, you can order that option. If you want to learn more about the products we make for the Yamaha T7, please visit our website, touratech-usa.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell to see when we release more videos just like this.